Alright guys, welcome back. I'm just going to make this short and quick. I'm not really going to talk about the video. It's basically just me piping and mounting boxes for the fire alarm between floors. And then I'm also showing you stuff that my coworkers did, mounting the uh, electric boxes for the panels. And it looks like I'm not even sure what it's going to be, just where the power comes in and then how that gets put up to the panels, and then the piping that goes into the panels, which looks pretty nice. They all come down really nice, and then yep, that's about it. So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, and hopefully this is all you need for me talking and discussing in the video, but this is just what I worked on all day. It was super cold, like 26 degrees, but I was like sweating all day, so really thankful for that. And hopefully you guys enjoy the video and are having a great day. That's all I got for you. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe. Also drop a comment so I can get to know you guys and interact with you if you've got any questions. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. God bless. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.